So this is a fruit mix with veggies inside. Apples, pears, bananas, mixed veggies, okay, and soft-boiled pellets. There's the bananas and the papayas. Pour it in. So this is actually a nest of a 12-wire female. Alright, she was nesting here 2 weeks ago, but probably due to some disturbance, she actually decided to destroy it, so it's actually all in a nest right now. Hopefully now we can see her building somewhere else, so fingers crossed about it. There's no action yet, so what we're going to do is to play back for the past 24 hours and check out what's the activities for the past 24 hours then. Alright, so Ivan over here is my boss.
Okay, and now after the end of the day, we will do a review for the entire footage for the entire day. So after which we will just record down our significant observation for the day.